this video, I will show you how to add dual tone lighting effects in easy steps. Please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon will help us to make more and more video tutorials for you. So let's get started with the video tutorial. We need to add a new adjustment layer and select gradient fill option. Here in gradient fill option, we need to select the basic section and select first option. Next, we can select the color of our choice for the dual tone gradient effect. Next, we can change the angle here for dual gradient and save the changes. Next, we can select the color for the dual tone gradient. You can try with different colors that you feel goes well with the photo. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates.